It's time for Flip!
And Derf! Oh, my friend Brett is calling. Hello? Oh, hi, Brett. Fly? Me? In an airplane? Today? Of course! I'll be there in just a minute. Okay, bye!
If you'll excuse me, I have a plane to catch. Wait, do you guys want to come with me? We're gonna go fly today. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's go!
Hey, Derf.
Hi.
Wow! How did you get here so quickly?
I was excited.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go now?
Well, I don't have wings or anything, but I was born ready to fly.
Okay then, let's go.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
All right, we're about ready for takeoff.
Awesome.
Here are the important things you need to remember.
Okay.
Keep your seatbelt fastened and secured at all times.
Fastened and secured. Check.
Keep an eye out for other airplanes in the air while we're flying.
Eyes wide open. Head on a swivel. Check.
And most important, have fun.
Fun is locked and loaded. Check. Let's go!
Woohoo!
Oh, we're going faster. We're going faster. Up, up, and away! This is so cool. Is that a city over there?
Yep, sure is.
The people look like little ants. Wow, it looks incredible outside. The clouds look like mashed potatoes. Wow, that's a bright shimmering lake. Maybe we could go for a swim. I would love to go down for a closer look.
If we had a seaplane, we could land on the lake.
What?
Maybe we'll do that one day.
No way. That would be incredible. From up here, everything looks so tiny. Hey, what are those big holes in the ground? That's like a weird colored lake.
That's a rock quarry.
Looks like a crater. How fast will this thing go?
About 150 miles per hour.
You think we could get into orbit?
No.
But almost, right?
Close enough.
I love big fluffy clouds.
Okay, let's head back.
Can we stay up just a little bit longer?
When the plane is low on fuel, it's time to go back to Earth.
Let's set her down. I just love it up here. Thanks for taking me.
Well, we do have enough fuel to go up one more time. Let's do it.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Muffin away! I'm as light as a feather. This is so awesome.